Does your VirtualBox resizing issue have you feeling like this? Do you want to be able to move your guest window like this? First, launch your VirtualBox and start your virtual machine. Click on the View menu option and you'll notice that the Auto Resize Guest Display is activated. Click on Auto Resize Guest Display to deactivate it if it is turned on. Awesome! We just solved the auto resizing issue. But now you may notice when you try to resize the window manually, the whole screen does not adjust. There are a few ways to fix this, but my favorite way is to click on the View option and then click on Scaled mode, then press Switch to Scale mode. Now you can readjust the guest window any way you like. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful or thought it was complete dog water, subscribe, like, and comment because it really helps out the channel and I really want to know what you guys think. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.